Hello and welcome back to Vipin Coding. This is our next series for Python quiz. We will discuss some Python questions in this video. If you have not watched our previous videos, then please watch all the videos and then watch this video. If you are new here, then please subscribe our channel and comment your answer in comment section. Let's get started. Our first question is, which one of the following is the use of function in Python? Functions don't provide better modularity for your application. You can't also create your own functions. Functions are reusable pieces of program. And fourth option is all. Let's see the answer. Answer is functions are reusable pieces of programs. Functions are reusable pieces of programs. They allow you to give a name to a block of statements, allowing you to run that block using the specified name anywhere in your program and in any number of times. Our next question is, which of the following Python statement will result in the output 6? This is a little bit program. Our first options are A21, A12, A32, A23. Which one give us a output 6 from this program? Then let's see the answer for this is maybe answer for this is A12. The output that is required is 6, that is row 2 and item 3. Row 2, item 3. This position is represented by the statement A1 and 2. Okay. Next question is, what will be the output of the following Python program? There is an error in this question, so skip this question because there is no output. There is no Python code here that will give you the output for this program. This question is error in this question, so leave this question. Next question is, what will be the output of the following Python program? That is, this is our Python program. I equals to 0, while loop. Here we use while loop. I less than 5, print I plus equals to 1. If I equals to 3, then break the statement, else print 0. What will we get the output for this? Error 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2 and none. The answer for this question is 0, 1, 2. The else part is not executed if control breaks out of the loop. Got it? Next question is, what will be the output of the following Python code? This is a Python program. X is a variable here, equals to ABCD its value. For I in range len x, print I. Then what will we get? First option is error, second is 1, 2, 3, 4, third is A, B, C, D, and 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's see the answer. Answer is 0, 1, 2, 3. I takes values 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, got it? So this is all about this video. We will meet in our next video. Till then, happy coding.